Hey guys, welcome to Anything Electric. This is a YouTube channel where I speak about electrical devices, or PEVs, should have said, portable electric vehicles. Today I'll be doing a range test on my Backfire G2 Black, so please stay tuned to see how far that thing can go. Cheers! I'm falling! I'm falling!
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Alright guys, here I am. Sorry I do smoke, but on my way to do my range test. Please join me. We'll see you soon. I've just started the app a couple seconds ago. We're going to start our journey. We are here in Bournemouth. I don't know why my map hasn't loaded just yet, but we're going to get on the go. See you guys soon. So far we have just started our journey. We are going through Bournemouth Gardens right now. As you can see, lovely people around. Life's back to normal. I'm so happy, it's good. But you got to keep your distance, obviously. I really need to get a bell on mine because people really can't hear me coming on my one. So as you guys can see, I am doing a range test, but I'm having some fun. So this is what you guys would be doing too. Accelerating hard and showing people that you've got a badass board. Look how beautiful is where I live. No. My brother's trying to power wheelie a front wheel drive scooter. Right, so we're gonna take a ride down this way. Yo, dude. All the people are back and about. Bournemouth's back to normal. Please excuse the wind noise, guys. It's always so windy down here. Just stopped to have a cigarette quickly, and done about a mile. And as you can see, oh, let me push the button again. As you guys can see, there's one flashing bar, so not too bad after 1 mile. We'll keep up the riding. Pretty sure you guys have seen this view before. Oh, why isn't it focusing? There we go. Absolutely beautiful.
I want to go and eat my food somewhere.
And my brother wants to go and eat his food somewhere. Goddamn cyclists, they fucking think they're in the road. Excuse my French. Oh, almost forgot to put on my shades. I'm a cool guy now. Come on, bro, almost there. Cyclists hate me. Yeah, you go. But I'll get you on pull off though. Yes, mate! Look at him, he's cruising! First cyclist to have ever beaten me. First cyclist ever. Fair play, man, whoever you were. Fair play. Jet skis here, look at them.
Oh, they're out and about.
There's a beautiful boat just parked right over there, taking in the good sun.
I don't have a beer here, but fuck it. Beautiful sun, but...
Another thing, guys, I will be releasing a video very, very soon.
Careful.
Don't mind my brother there. See, you can use these scooters for many, many things. But I will be releasing a video on the Xiomi scooter very soon. I know probably there's 100 of them out there already, but I think they're really cool. Anything electric, I love. If it's a one wheel,
Get rid
if
of
it's
petrol, boys and girls.
petrol is a thing of the past. It really is.
So you need petrol to charge that motherfucker.
I know, you need petrol to charge it, and I bet you this thing got delivered on the back of a diesel truck. But hey ho, maybe in the future with Elon Musk building his weird cyber flippin' truck type thing, we'll all have electric trucks.
Right.
So the remote is showing. Try to get those things there. The remote is showing 3 full bars still after 6.9 miles. So I think it actually works better if you're a skinnier rider.
As in yourself.
Oh, and it's smashed.
Don't lie.
Bro, I battled hard there, did you see? I fucking bet. I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but I fell quite hard there.
Did you? Oh, on that one.
Pants.
Again, no.
Pants are a bit fucked up.
Wait, I want to get a perfect.
But that is part of the experience. Don't worry, my friends. I will be getting to the statistics of the range test. I know this is a range test video, but I really do enjoy just posting some other clips of me riding around. And yes, look at my amazing Durban shirt. I am from South Africa. I don't know if you've heard from my accent before, but I have been here in England for about 7 years now. So I've got a little bit of a twang of an accent. On the left, stay on the wall as it goes. Even more of a hill to go up. For some reason, guys, I really do not know why camera. Oh, don't pull out on me, old person. For some reason, guys, I do not know why cameras don't portray how big hills are. I don't know why. But oh yeah, I was going to show you what my battery looks like. So I just went up that really big hill, yeah. Look, still got that flashing bar. This board is a beast. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys the final count at the end. But please remember, I am a very light rider. So if you weigh 100 kilograms, I really don't think that you're going to get the mileage that I do, because you probably weigh like double as I do. But look at this. Uneven ground, and the Backfire board handles it perfectly. Board is at... Oh, sorry, wrong mode. Board is 1.5 flashing. So I hope you guys can see that. 1.5 flashing. But look at this, now I'm in a shopping center where I'm not supposed to be. Fuck the system. Fuck the system. In a shopping center. Because I like to have fun. Watch this, guys. my video for today. I'm actually really impressed. I'm not too sure if my app wasn't working correctly. As you can see, I'm not a big guy, so I'm happy I get good range. Be safe during these times, guys, and please like and subscribe for some more videos. Peace. Alright, so the total distance that I rode today was 8.4 miles in the space of 37 minutes, which isn't too bad. I've made it up a lovely part here in Chime, as you can see behind me. Got some lovely views, lovely trees. I'm really impressed with the range so far. Normally I'd get about 6 to 8 miles if you watch my previous 1,000-mile review on this thing, but overall I'm really impressed. Keep tuned for some more videos. So I've done about...
Can you hear my voice? Coming through the